I guess.
Yeah, definitely. We're gonna get
This can be a video of me plugging up the Haze.
Doing one last time.
Alright, we're on our way. So we start off by heading.
Oh,
Stay away, buddy.
It'll be fun. So we're going all the way around this big old chasm right here. That's what he said, I
this is
guess.
the
I don't
nail
know.
moon. It's the big one.
I'm aiming to get on top of the big old gas canister over here. I can't remember how I'm supposed to get up there, so I guess this is my first assessment. It's like doing a quote on a big job. Fucking dick.
Oh yeah, I have one blue
I pressed the space at the wrong time. Brain dead, I guess. I don't know. Oh, we got an easy way up. I think it's funny how it's the 420 gas killer. 420 weed killer, that's what it is. So I think I need some form of tool to get, or like, you know, some form of like structure to get up here, but I maybe will like parkour. Doing some stupid shit with the grass. Oh no, it was some easy brains to run up. Stop breathing, brother. Ain't nothing to breathe. It's all gas over here. I'm about to cover up the 420 weed killer so we can smoke in peace, bro. Myself. Here we go. Oh look, there's a crow feather right here.
It's like a thumb, pinky, middle.
Time to test how far I can really drop with this daredevil.
Yes. Pointer fits on
How far are we thinking? We thinking it's all good?
Okay.
I'll jump down at this crow feather.
So now you're gonna use that.
Not
glue
even
to
half.
do the same shit that I did.
Hey, I need that.
Yeah, and then
See
you put
everything
that
now.
onto your